Hey there, so you're on a journey to build some serious resilience, huh? That's awesome. Today we're diving into day one, assessing your current emotional resilience. First off, understanding where you stand is crucial. Resilience isn't just about bouncing back from a single setback, it's a multi-dimensional concept. It covers physiological, physical, emotional, and psychological aspects. To get a clear picture, you can take the Brief Resilience Scale, or BRS for short. It's a proven tool that measures how well you bounce back from stress and adversity. Here's what you'll do. Rate each item from 1 to 4 based on these key resilience elements. Connections and trust relationships, physical self-care practices, stress reduction techniques, flexible thinking patterns, self-confidence and awareness, and your experience handling challenges. Once you have your ratings, it's time to understand your strengths and growth opportunities. Your assessment responses will reveal your resilience levels in different areas. Research shows that people naturally develop resilience through their relationships and balanced self-care. Let's break it down. 1. Physical self-care. Check. Are you working out regularly, like 3 or more days a week? Are you getting quality sleep? How much time are you spending outdoors? Are you eating healthy? 2. Mental health overview. How do you handle stress? Do you practice mindfulness? Are you in touch with your emotions? What methods do you use to cope with challenges? Now, with your results in hand, it's time to set some goals for the week ahead. Research indicates that people without resilience often feel stuck or resort to unhealthy coping habits. So let's set clear, achievable daily targets. Pick 1 or 2 areas to improve instead of trying to fix everything at once. Write down your goals and check them daily. Assign specific actions to your morning, afternoon, and evening routines. This way, you're merging new resilience-building habits into your daily life, making them stick better. Remember, building resilience is a journey, not a sprint. You've got this. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for day 2. Remember, this video is not a substitute for advice from a licensed healthcare professional. If you're experiencing issues, seek help or call 911.